Taoiseach, you referred selectively to the report that was published today, and you talked about double speak and putting things off. The decarbonisation zones were in action under the 2019 Climate Action Plan. A year ago almost, local authorities were requested to submit a decarbonisation plan. Galway City Council did that. There has been absolutely no action on the part of your government in approximately a year, but it's really since 2019. But a year since you requested it, more than a year was February. April was the closing date. And they sit in the department waiting for approval from the Climate Department in relation to guidelines. Now, if that's not double-speak, inaction and complete hypocrisy, I don't know what is. So I'm raising it again for the second time now in a month. When are we going to get action on the decarbonisation plans that sit with the Department of Housing, pending regulations?
Thank you, Deputy Taoiseach.
Well, again, the government has, unlike, let's be clear about it, the last 18 months there's been unprecedented action in relation to climate change. In some of the legislation that has been passed, in terms of the carbon budgeting, and in terms of the maritime bill, which will give us the opportunities now to develop wind energy. So the idea that the government is engaged in double-speak and that you itemise one issue and then through that then sort of make the generalised accusation against government, I don't think holds water at all. I think that's a flawed premise upon which to base your assertions, because the government has been very strong on climate change, on a whole range of issues of substance. And county councils don't need government guidance in terms of what's required, because most local authorities are... just hear me out, please. You have this facility. You ask the question, you don't like the answer, and you interrupt. And you're not alone in that. Others are doing the same. I've been around the country. Local authorities are advancing right across the country. Active travel and a whole range of environmental schemes and biodiversity.
Time is up.
And the idea, I think you've overstated
the time is up, Deputy Paul McAuliffe.